fantastic. The effort that people have made to travel from so far, especially people like Brett, all the way from Australia, to come here and mix in with other distributors. But it's always good to see what's happening behind the scenes with JLM, because they always, they're innovative. They're always looking at new products. So we'll get to see what's going to be happening and meet some great people. It's been fantastic. For us, we pride every job that we do at our end, at ground level, has to be done to the very highest standards and the best of our ability. So when I go to grab something that has JLM's name on the tin, I know that it's going to work. The quality is 100% there, time and time again. So it's our trusted brand, So it's just fantastic products, but also a great company to deal with. We have a very close relationship with JLM, and we know a lot of the stuff behind the scenes with new products, and also have some input with that. So for us, it's a great relationship and a great company.